Sanya be na wachi mu ne na wachi edi anim ni nyina sanse bronya no ye ne mu nyina na edi ewo Adom TV so na mamenka we se chei mensa na nwum na etwagu a ne ye de giti ye de ne later in the day we bedwam soro beba na oba be boye bronya nwum no no ankasa na nwum bi a de ye unya na no pase ye ye kama no ode beba be bom amaye and later in the day so ye mo hu se comedians no dodo no abeba but me start me show you the what's who say MJ or Kamewa Hantino Yansha over the weekend bronya programs do ya a chagu ye the gusu ekoswono yeni ho enkomo kakra MJ kwaba nampombo ko de Onyankopon gusu sira ye me da say see edi bronya first na nke na ye se bronya atade etimi bronya atade ana mahye no online no made in Ghana ye promote a produce a project yankase ye niema ye no wo man yi mo enko bi ho yes.
Christmas festivities, advocates say, "Yento more made in
Ghana niema, yentade, yempaboa, ahwene beats ni niema edisiesie ye ho, ya yaduane. Bisi bronya adru say kan na wurawura nkwan fufuo kakra. Oho, tiozafi kakra, akpole kakra. Mumie ni ya ye de na spaghetti bolonhu ahwan na do so dodo. Oho. Yes.
So say you better go back to Ghana because made in Ghana rice
yes.
And also boy
now say so my packaging first than say Ghana mo abuo wom say so my na kama bi kuta na catch us say made in Ghana mo a wonyi ni
wallahi
e market bebre
I don't dare ya panesa until mom produce more ya ba di no sam
o say
ya say I don't ya panesa until mom produce more ya ba di am
I didn't dey work panesa and one produce more mo ba di na cha any na fia enya agro crass say MJ no na say comedy no one wode na mu ne over the weekend concert ahodo bi cause ye nim say singathon afia santo a ogusu aye a wode e maye na ye hwe beam concert ye nim say mo amadi entertainment eti kakra no obi si na na SM montimi ntu SM e cause say over the weekend
before I call Romanus a show Foster Romanus
yes.
show National
Theater yes
and that one is a plus for young Ghana comedy
yes
because if you reflect back about 10 years ago ni nyama events ni nyama yana audience no let me crack a joke na adwane akotena na asre na samba stage no so but now no show yet to me park in National Theater
wow
into when I so you ever say one more outside or more have different mindset about Ghana comedy no some mumbe and yen obi aka no and I say no so say oh obi see Ghanaian comedians say no just come and witness it and it was a very successful event
wow
place near packed
yes
and so kudos to Foster Romanos all the comedians are almost performing here and then away from that to Beam concert I think there is a point we all have to clap for the Beam Nation president
yeah boy and sabama Beam Nation president
and I will applaud the SM boss too Enra it came on to write on Twitter so this is a point they say yemfa bibian to nchen so that we project our own
yes
and yes say oh me supporti we are there and say me supporting no at the end of the day no ye nyina ye Ghana for
yes
and now o hwe event no Stoneboy here hey Adom pani like people came out in their numbers
yes
like yes, this is a concept that we want to see most of our Ghanaian artists. You say more of this because more of this. we can feel the O2 arenas in Yamaniama, but we have to start from our home.
Yes.
Yes, yes, say, now support no etemusa. You call outside la. One may say, Aquano in for cry supporting, and so we should also support that person. Well, and a program there a nice, come performance, stage, lights, security wise, like. Won't see bad news be I say be call no question no everything was well organized and we are event organizer now if you are into showbiz investment or shares our program anymore. We need to clap for them. They've really done well.
Nessa, what's your boy and Sam Emma Beam concert? What will put everything together because it's a success. Said na wakano. SM ye no nyanipa sa, Beam ye no nyanipa. Kempaluta ye, sa kwode ye. Ni na na hu say ye industry no ano and e kosro.
No. What I say. And then quickly to Ifua.
Yes, Singathon.
The lady is doing so.
Yes, Singathon princess.
Dear.
Yes, or Tegana.
As at now, crowd.
Yes.
I mean, Major Kasabe 1 hour brain.
Oko for 5 days.
5 days?
Yes.
5 solid
over
days.
Over 3,000 songs.
Wow.
The attempt alone, me say, so when Yaku could draw no cross,
motive, no mindset, no cramp, because, how can you even speak for 48 hours?
Non-stop, oh. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, the switch, the tone, now they be picking another song.
And upon me, Joy Prime. In Ahosepe, the voice is still solid.
Yes. Still, no, I said they started your money.
On said, Dia Santuano cry. Yeah. You know our mother. Yes. So I think names have positive impacts. Yes, into Uber too, Badia. Then I uncle. Mano, yes, sir. I say, hey, Judas Iscariot.
No, Maybe I can't say, Mrs. Your banana bear milk or what you know, Madachi.
Serious.
For Bearman and Mudaho.
Oh,
and Tessa, ye used to from school, my Dobana Bear Satan.
I then who can legs in West. Lexi the comic now or say Aquano Itia. Lexi or very short.
On your short or kuta presidential heights.
No, onokra presidential heights on your new because Aquano wouldn't to so I had to say rain.
And semi presidential heights. And you're gonna make a engineer, can you? Yeah,
in or more Bible studies at school. And I see a teacher no ma examples. Oh, Zacchaeus. Just like Lexi.
On the fruit, we are no. And then we say, Badwam so any there's a more and a beco so till say about 9:25. Say the Biano, no sunset, a year bronya denti, no bronya no say any econo. Last year, Fibia, ya babronya patase, near more in your chrome kumamu few, no can cania, Kiasi bronya drian rano, and can then Kenya guasia, and ya so bojakakra, who body and adia betum, Wunya menkenia and adia betum, bronya the first near demania day, and then will be as nuclear family, Yen said down who bronya so. Sabre and Kamena na de more aswame. Yeah, no first very fresh ya. This a bronya. Ya tigu chansi near the stew no gush near the aswa. What they call kura for. Now the akoma obi was a kura na say. Na nyumromuswa bro fufu ne wrong coins. I can bronya na day.
Yeah. On say yeah modernization.
Yes.
And normal as time goes on. Nyama besisa. But non say yen too. We should throw our culture away. Yes. We as Ghanaians, we are Ghanaians.
We should hold on to your mamma and your money.
You are a Ghanaian, and you will still remain a Ghanaian forever and ever.
Ubronya experience. Usana mami to bronya tarema.
Me swano na me mami to mami, me papa nso to mami, and you to atare no 3 months. On say any like scan shed and
yes.
Yeah, bronya no ma 3 months
to bronya no. Tisa ne ma ne bo be ye den.
3 months to bronya no ube hu.
But won she.
Ube hu pa. Inti ano so mo use sa advantage no the suma we ni a.
Yeah, wa kwa won sha tare no.
Wa kwa atare no on she.
But wo de ne to oversize and na to size.
On say still crab show oversize.
Na za wo penso wo said 4 years. 4 years na no be pepe.
I say my school uniform no.
Okay.
My school uniform you taught every class 3 years. Met me share could do maybe class 5.
Okay, asana ne wa ye pe.
Then me I pay. Na time any me be pencil na manya 2 IC. Onim 2 IC.
Ene de here.
Na ne 2.
Etu no na se tutu tokuro. Tu di koma tele ne wa twa bi di ase ho.
And those days no, it was more fun than now.
Yes.
Because you get the opportunity when you number for et na ona mudin komo na on say sound kwano cry. The aroma is different.
Na the taste no go different o. Bronya de no.
Different.
Bronya de no.
Unless bronya.
Bronya nko na edi tomato paste. Nti eno yeti titi tomatoes de ye froye no a. Na red fish hihiem.
Yes, so ye bobo patane bisia.
Yes, bronya pata, yes.
Ye bobo bisia. Bad boys ni bad girls no money me.
Say hona ma me ni papa no e koso no. Ai hona ma me ni papa no koso no. Eno na obi kwate ho kire wo na na wo no wakeka duro da fie. Ye ba wo na mu ne da keka duro na wura mu.
On say generation with the new generation. Yeah, omo ye computer generation in so omo enjoy we so one more opportunity on be kire omo the memories be ba omo nso be hu nia na ye nso ye na ebe den so wo opportunity bia say edru time bia yetumi salline say na mascatella ba ko obia de ne cap
ebeje kakra
mascatella ba se sia de nipa akwara no kro to susu
no boto na no kro mpese obi benum bi
ono a obetumi
ato na de omu wo sika chen ye ebusia na se ebedwom a yede ma ewo bronya apata se na yede esom na ya medofo bi birthday Christiana Abena Lecha a facility managers ewo Yesu Krom Medical Center Enyinem Christy, you know I love you so much.
Oh my God.
Oh
my God.
Neba Cheryl Equia Owusu and I would offer. I know you know who I'm talking about, the man of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, will show Merry Christmas and a happy birthday. Nyakupo enshraw. There were femono, you don't look like what you've been through. And know your testimony just say Fiaka Wedimono Ebeye
Rich mama.
Yes, Christiana Abna Lecha. Happy birthday to you, facility managers. Ewe Yesu Krom Medical Center Enyinem. Ebusia ye na ye homra ye ko breakaba. Ye ba comedians ene nyomtofo aba no. Meni omo be sign at one ko so